We'd like to say that with LEGO Technic, you can build for real. And to prove this isn't just something we say, but something we mean, we decided to build a car, a true copy of a Bugatti Chiron. And just to make things even more difficult for ourselves, we decided we'd also take our car for a drive. Trying to match the elegant curves of the Bugatti Chiron using only LEGO Technic elements was the first challenge. Creating the engine was the second. As if constructing the car in LEGO Technic wasn't enough, we also decided we'd like to power it with small LEGO Technic power function motors as well. It sounded plausible on paper, but was it even possible? Would our car actually drive? Who better to find out than the guy who test drove the real Bugatti Chiron during its development? We did our last-minute checks, held our breaths, and sent him on his way. Our amazing LEGO Technic car just kept on going. LEGO Technic. Build for real.